Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 108. In today's episode, we go mining for large chunks of earwax in a patient's ear. As you can see when we look in, this patient's earwax has a variety of colors, everything from that bright yellow to a little bit of orange to the deep red that we're going to see once we pull this first chunk out. This patient has the type of earwax that likes to stick together and clump, which is one of my favorite to remove because then we get these giant chunks out of the ear and it's really, really satisfying. Take a look at that. That is a huge clump of wax that came out with our first scoop. Already you can see the wax separating itself from the floor of the ear canal and the ear canal wall. We're going to use the curette to get to the side of this earwax, peel it off the edges, pinning everything together, and then pull it all out, hopefully, in one giant chunk. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keep me motivated to put this content out. It's designed for education and entertainment. This is not designed as medical advice, even though I am a practicing audiologist. Remember, if I haven't looked in your ears, like I'm doing with this person, I can't give you medical advice regarding your ears. So as we come back in now, we're going to remove a little bit more of this dead skin from the floor of the ear canal. That'll give us a good view of the eardrum, and then we'll take a look at the other side. And there's a beautiful view of the eardrum. Still a little bit of dead skin at the top. We'll leave that. That can be uncomfortable when we pull that off. On the other ear, we don't have to go in very far to see the bright yellow of that earwax. This is right near the aperture of the ear. It's actually all intertwined into that ear hair. So we're going to pull this wax out and see if we get it in one clump or if we're going to need multiple attempts at it. It didn't all come out at once, but there was quite a bit that did. Now you can see here how this earwax is kind of got some hair in it, and it's also got some dead skin. But we're going to get that scraped off so we get a good view of the eardrum. Again, this is not uncomfortable for the patient. We're being very gentle. The tools we're using, we're able to get a great view of the patient's ear canal to allow us to make very precise movements. There's the eardrum there. It looks really good. This has been Earwax Removal Vlog number 108. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.